Mike Hughes here. I'm at AM Resorts, and I'm here with Rita, and you want to tell us a little bit about all the resorts, all 60 plus?
Yes, absolutely. Well, we have 3 resorts in Cozumel. One of them is the only adults-only resort in the destination, which is Secret Aura, that you can see over there.
Mm-hmm.
And we have Sunscape Sabor, which is specialized in divers. And we have a new one that is Dreams Cozumel Cape.
Okay.
It's a really nice property, all-inclusive, with swim-up, beachfront suites.
Where is that on the map here?
Well, we are in Cozumel Island.
Uh-huh.
So this is the airport in the main town, and we are in the south, very close to the main reefs of Cozumel.
Right.
So we are over here, and the dive operator is at...
Okay, so looking back at the map and all the different places that you have here, if they want more information about it, they're going to go on
amresort.com or secrets.com or sunscape.com or dreams.com. Very easy.
That's a lot of .com.
That's a lot of .com.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.